We're doing it on Omega. Episode 415, part 1. Tri-Brigade Dragoon versus Salamangreat. And he got me with this. He beat me. Game 1 and 2. Normal. Link off. Effect. This card leaves the field, you can discard one Cyberus monster, and if you do, draw 2 cards. And then he chain linked it with Baylink, so he chain blocked it. I'm only able to negate with Ash with this, but then he also chained it with the with Circle Jerk. Shout out to I'm So Angry. He calls it Circle Jerk in his duels. What happened? He drew he drew 2, right? 2 cards were drawn. Yeah, he drew 2 from Buffalo. Yeah, the heck did this guy go to the grave? Spinny went to the grave somehow. I probably increased its attack. How the f did this guy go to the grave? Gazelle, summon effect, dump roar, Spinny, special from grave, Mirage Delio. What did he do? Detached and special. Yeah, from deck, Jaguar. What the hell was that? He went to a wolf, and then he went to another wolf. What? Man, some of these replays, they go so fast. Like the chain link reaction, like it's just so quick. Like I already have this. The game speed is slower, but it's still so quick. Wolf's, if it's linked using itself, reincarnate link, you could do that. Jaguar, what does this guy do again? If you control a link monster while this card is in your graveyard, you can target one Salamangreat monster in your graveyard except Jaguar, shuffle that to the deck, and if you do special summon this card to special summon this card to your zone, your Salamangreat monster points to your zone, to a zone your Salamangreat points to your zone, I guess, because this one points over here. Yeah, and then wolf. The monster is normal or special summon to a zones this card points to, except during damage step. You could add one fire monster from your graveyard to your hand, but for the rest of the turn it cannot normal summon. You cannot normal summon, special summon that card that was added. What? Special summon monster with added monster's name. Okay, yeah. He negated everything here. Fractal, dump, kit, dump Nerval, add kit. Discard, special, effect. I was gonna go right for Shureg, banishing 4, and he had the Imperum. Negate, cat. He Veilored it right away. Okay, and I Verte P2000, try to copy Red Eyes Fusion. He still had that roar there, so negate and destroy, and he activates Circle, getting Foxy on end phase. Birth, linked off Jaguar, and Birth for Jammer. Birth, Ash, negate, spin, special. Okay. This one right here. During your main phase, if you control this card that was linked someone using Salamangreat Sunlight Wolf as a material, you could add one Salamangreat spell trap from your graveyard to your hand. So it was reincarnated. Oh, 2+ effect monsters, transcode talker. Gonna update Jammer's effect here. Which one is it here? If this card is sent to the graveyard as a link material, that link monster can make a second attack during each battle this turn. And then if this guy is co-linked, they gain 500. Also, your opponent cannot target them, any of them, with card effects. Wow. You target one link 3 or lower Cyberse monster and give her a separate transcode top. Special summon it to your zone this card points to. You cannot special summon monsters. The turn you activate this effect except for Cyberse monsters. It's gonna bring back update Jammer. Transcode, update, or access code, and update Jammer. This guy's gonna gain how much? 3,000 because he used the link 3. Update Jammer is gonna make him attack twice, so wow. Update Jammer transcode talker to access code combo. It's still out there, god dang it. Part 2. I was confident. I was like, oh, I was using salads, but he went first and he got me. Added. So what the heck is this? Normal, link, effect, dump, effect, add, set in perm. I sided in some Skullmeisters. Circle, Ash. Ah, he had the mining. Mining, send one card. Okay, send Jaguar. Well, since if Salamangreat monster is sent to the graveyard instead of Salamangreat, you can special summon this card. Well, he was sent. That's a Salamangreat. Special effect. He was going to discard his normal special summon. You can send one Salamangreat card from your deck to the graveyard. Infinite Impermanence is going to negate that. Into Baelink's effect, adding the field spell. Summon Falco. Into Wolf, 2 fire monsters, Falco. This card is sent to the graveyard. Target one Salamangreat spell trap, set it to your field. Skullmeister. When a card effect is activated in your opponent's graveyard, quick effect, you can send this card from your hand to the graveyard and negate that effect. Sanctuary. Sanctuary's effect. If you link summon a Salamangreat link monster, you could use one Salamangreat link monster you control with the same name as that entire material, so it could reincarnate itself. It could do itself. Oh, Jaguar is gonna do his grave effect. Well, Skullmeister. Sunlight Wolf destroys Salamangreat Almirage. Hey, it's a Salamangreat. Wolf's effect. This one right here during your main phase. This card was link summon using the same material. You can add one spell Salamangrate, spell trap, grave to hand. Thought I had a chance here. Fractal, Kit, Nerval, get Fractal. Almost on Fractal. I was gonna just go for 2, go for Bear Brum, and then Rugal, but he had the Effect Veiler in hand, negating it. Fractal attack, but Balinks will protect it. If Salamangreat cards you control will be destroyed by battle or card effect, you banish this card from your graveyard instead. Damn it. Jaguar. What the heck? I mean, Jaguar. You control Salamangreat like monster. While this card is in your graveyard, you can target one Salamangreat monster in your graveyard except Jaguar. Shuffle that target to the deck. If you do this, plus summon this card to a zone your Salamangreat link monster points to. And he put back Balinks. And then Wolf's Effect. If a monster is not, add 1 fire grave, but it can't be used. Can't be normal summon? Cannot be normal summon. Okay, so we got Foxy. And yeah, he went for the same shenanigan here. Access code. Update jammer. Access code banish. Pop and 53 times 2. Oh! Terry wins. Almost flawless victory. Almost flawless. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. 415. Cool. We were at 12, 10, 11, 92. 415. Where are you? Let the net decking begin. 40 cards. Rocking the new cross out. Wow. We're at 260, still at 260. Comment, share, like if you sub this if you liked it. See you guys.